Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add laser eyes effect to photo in Capcut. So for example, I'm going to add laser eyes effect in this photo. So how to just click effect in toolbar at the bottom and click body effect. You can find laser eyes effect in hardware and swipe up and you can see laser eyes 1 or laser eyes 2. For example, I'm going to select laser eyes 2 like this, and we can adjust for filter, intensity, and then color like this. Just click OK and you can adjust for duration like this. So here we go. That's how to add laser eyes effect to photo in Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and show like. Bye bye.